What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we unbox cases at our local Dollar Tree. Now we did wind up getting two super treasure hunts, and this super treasure hunt was a really cool one, so stay tuned to see how we found this. So here we are getting into the first case. As you can see, these were both E-case, and if you guys don't know, this year E-case, this super is the Fiat and the regular treasure hunt is the Batmobile, which you can see right here. So while going through these cases, we did pull out some cars. As you can see, we got the mainline, which was the super from the last case, the Mercedes, and then we had a Godzilla Skyline. And we did flip this case around and open up the other side. Just wait till you guys see what happens here. This one's a main. This looks like the Fiat, but it's not. What is this? Yep. As you guys saw there, it was a big shocker to me, not because it was a super, well, that's one reason why, but mainly because there was two Fiats in there, and I already saw one of them, and I just thought, there's no super. I don't know how I didn't see the other Fiat. Usually I find them right away. Here's another treasure hunt. But that was very interesting how the case surprised me like that. We still found another one. So I will show you guys close-up pictures in the light box of the Fiat Super at the end. So stay tuned for that. But now we're just going to show you the rest of the cases, the treasure hunts, and the other super we found. I only see one. I made sure I went through this box carefully since the other one had two Fiats and one of them was a super, but unfortunately there was no super in this particular case. This case is still a really great case. Has the Mercedes in it, has a nice Audi, and it has some other really cool cars that I did pick up. Here is the final case that we unboxed, and very interestingly, this one did have another Fiat Super Treasure Hunt. Now with this Fiat Super Treasure Hunt, I've been hearing some mixed stories. Sometimes I see people found a ton of these. Sometimes I see that people haven't found any of them. So I'm not too sure about, how common this super is. But personally, I've only found two so far, and I haven't been seeing a lot of people find a lot of them. So I think it's still decently rare, and the price on eBay is somewhere around $45 to $50 without shipping. So add shipping, it'd be more. But yeah, so it's a pretty interesting super. Personally, this is one of my favorite supers of the year. I know it's a Fiat, and no one's really excited for a Fiat. But if you really take a very close look at this one compared to the mainline, you can see that the super is very well detailed, obviously, but also kind of is different from the main with the decal colors and such. I do think that the wheels are awesome, how the wheels have a white trim around them. I just think the whole thing was very clean and put together well and wasn't too much, if you know what I mean. So with that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, do all that, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.